Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd day of July 2014. Let's see, in the live trading room this morning we made 4 ticks profit on soybeans, we lost 1 tick on the Russell, we lost 8 ticks on natural gas, we made 23 ticks on crude oil, and we made 8 ticks on gold. It took us 62 minutes and 12 trades to get to our goal for the day. When we closed out the trade that gave us our goal for the day, we're up $172.50 a contract. We took a total of 21 trades today. And on the month of, for the month of July, the 2 days in July that we've had so far, you can see we're up $832.50 a contract, right? $832.50 in the last 2 days. We actually, what did we do on Monday? We were up on Monday too, just barely though, I think, right? Yeah, just barely on Monday. But $832.50 for the last 2 days here. Let's see. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken 36 trades in the last 2 days. You would be up $544.50 per contract net, and if you had a $5 commission, you'd be up $652.50 per contract net. Okay, that is where things stand on the month. Now, let me show you guys how to take the free trial. If you have not taken the free trial, go to CFRN.net, and right there on the upper right-hand side of the page, it says register for a free trial. All you have to do is put in your name, your email address, and click this button. It says register for a free trial. When you do that, you'll be sent a confirmation link to the email address that you use in here, so make sure that's a valid email. You'll be sent a confirmation link. When you click on that confirmation link, then we will know that you registered for the free trial, and then we will send you all the information you need to get your 5 days in our live trading room. And to get your indicators downloaded, your charting platform downloaded and started, everything you need to get started. Alright, you'll also be sent a second video that says, please watch this video. Really, please do watch that video, because it will get you up to speed much faster when you get into the live trading room. Okay? Alright. Now, the trades. Crude, I'll start out with crude. I always start out with crude. We had a lot of trades in crude. I had said in the live trading room that we were building the other shoulder here in this head and shoulder pattern. Said this was a shoulder, this was the head, and it was building the other shoulder in the head and shoulder pattern. I had also said when it breaks down below this box, it breaks the neckline, there's a lot of space, a lot of air between there and the next level down. And you can see during our break right here, we dropped from, once we closed down below that box, we closed right there at 514, and it dropped all the way down here to 447. So that's what? 67 ticks, $670 a contract. When the crude inventories came out today, we had said buy and move up above 104.94 or sell below 104.54. When the inventories actually came out right in here, it moved up slowly, and I started taking some trades in here. I had taken this order off because I had started taking these trades before we got up there. It just now made it down to 454, so that order was not on at the time. Okay. Now let's go here. The first trade we took on crude was here. It was a down close below the trend line. You see the cycle is blue, so it had to be below the trend line. Hang on a second. Let me pop the questions up in case anybody asks any. And we took, on the first one, we took 3 ticks profit. The next one was after the inventory numbers came out, right in here. We took 3 ticks profit on that one. That put us at +6. The next one was right here, another up close above the trend line. We took 10 ticks profit on that. That put us at +16. The next one was in here. We took 3 ticks profit on that, put us at +19. 1 tick here, put us at +20. And I took another trade somewhere in here to get to 23. Guessing it was right in here on this down close right here. It would have been a momentum trade on the down close right there, and took 3 ticks profit on that to get us to 23 ticks. Okay. The bracket, I had the buy at 104.94 and I had the sell at 104.54. Jim. And you got long at 74. We did have a long trade at 72. If you were fast enough to get into it, it was right here, this bar right here at 72, the up close off the BBC. And no, it wasn't going that fast right here, so no, it was certainly possible to do it. But the actual bracket trade, I was being conservative and I said 494. All right, and this head and shoulder thing was perfect. You know, it was building this shoulder at the end of the live trading room right over here. It was putting that shoulder together. And I said, when we close down below that box, there's a lot of air. And there was. Some nice movement in there. All right. That was crude oil. Now I'm going to do the Russell. Okay. On the Russell, we had a lot of break-even trades on the Russell today. A lot of them. Okay, we started out right over here on the Russell. Our first trade here on the Russell was a break-even trade. It was an up close above the trend line. Broke even there. Next one was right here. Same thing, broke even. I should have taken some profit on that, but I was doing something else and I didn't see it go into profit that quick. Another break-even trade over here. All right, that's 3 break-even trades. And finally, 4 break-even trades. And finally right here, I took 3 ticks profit on this one. And I was at +3. The next trade was right here. We took the up close above the trend line and it stopped us out. -8 ticks. So we were at -5 right there. In here, we took the down close below the trend line and we made 4 ticks profit on that. That put us at -1. Had another break-even trade right here. And that is where we wrapped it up for the Russell. There was a long trade right here and a follow-up long trade right here. Okay, this one was actually during the live trading room, but I was probably doing my spreadsheet then, and this one was during the break right in there. Okay. Also during the break there was a short right there, and that's it. Those are the 3 trades that we didn't get. All right, that was it. That was it for the Russell today. We did -1 tick on the Russell. Okay, -a tick. We'll do gold next. On the gold, we didn't have that many trades on the gold. There was some good pre-market movement here on the gold. You know, at 8:30 when the news came out. I expect to see movement like that tomorrow too. Even more movement than that tomorrow. Okay. Our first trade on gold was right in here. It was a break-even trade. Right. Our next trade on gold was a down close below the trend line right here, and we made 5 ticks on that one. And the next trade was a down close in here below the trend line. I missed this one, but I grabbed this one and we got 3 more ticks profit on that. Okay, that put us at +8 on the gold. +8. Let's see, during the break we had a bullish cross, pull away, tested the BBC with an up close, so there was a long trade right there. That's pretty much it during the break. Okay, that was the whole thing. That's it. That was our gold trade today. All right, so I've done crude, soybeans next. Soybeans. I've done crude, the Russell, and gold, and now I'm going to do soybeans. On the soybeans, our first trade of the day, on soybeans anyway, was right here. We took a short trade right here, and we had 5 ticks profit from that one. The next trade on the soybeans was over here, and I should have moved my stop to break even. I didn't, so I took it off with a 1 tick loss. Okay, when I saw that it was really having trouble right here. I took it off with a 1 tick loss. And that put us at +4 on the soybeans on the day. Sadly, there just was no movement here, you know, during the live trading room anyway. It's all right, though. It's all right. We made some money. This 1140 area right here it's an important level, and price is just sticking to it. So, it needs to move away from that. that was soybeans. No. What else? Natural gas. Okay. On the natural gas, this was our first completed trade of the day. Was this one right here? We lost. Stopped us out pretty much to the tick, and then it went down to where we wanted it to go. But unfortunately, it stopped us out first. So we were minus 8 ticks right there, and we took a break-even trade over here. Okay, so we were minus 8 ticks on the day on the natural gas, and it hasn't really done anything since. Okay, tomorrow we still have natural gas inventories coming out tomorrow at 10:30, so maybe we'll get some movement on the natural gas tomorrow. All right. Let's see the ES. Let me bring that puppy over here. All right. You can see the movement on the ES was just messy, and I didn't point anything out. I started to, but it didn't follow through. And I would not trade the ES until it got out of the range that it's in. And that range would be from there to here. Until it closes outside of that range, I would not trade it. All right. Because of the underlying rhythm of the market, Bobs. All right. Well, that's it, guys. So I'll bring my spreadsheet back up. Here is the spreadsheet, and we're up 832.50 on the 2 days of July so far. And I will bring this back up. To take a free trial, put in your name, your email address, register for a free trial. Click the confirmation link, and that's it. And then you'll get all the stuff you need to take our free trial. Okay? Well, yes, Joanne. You asked me that last week too. I'll send it to you right now. Okay. All right. That's it. So we can stop the recording.